Policymakers from Nairobi to New York are battling with this one question. How do you keep the economy open while at the same time locking the infection rate of coronavirus? And the situation is actually more complicated here in Kenya, where close to 45% of the population live below the poverty line and 83% of the population work in the informal sector. That is a million-dollar question.
My administration has made and will continue to make targeted state interventions to cushion every Kenyan from the shocks arising from this coronavirus.
With 28 confirmed cases of coronavirus, a cloud of fear and uncertainty has blackened the country. The government has imposed a partial stay-at-home order, shutting down hotels, pubs, churches and other forms of gatherings. On Wednesday, President Uhuru Kenyatta outlined new tax measures meant to ease the burden of coronavirus on Kenyans. Among them is 100% tax relief for those earning 24,000 shillings and below. Similarly, the president has proposed reduction of corporate tax from 30 to 25%.
The National Treasury shall cause the immediate reduction of the VAT rate from 16% to 14% effective the 1st of April 2020.
From the 1st of April, turnover tax will now be calculated at a rate of 1% from the current 3% to ease tax burden on micro, small and medium enterprises. Treasury has also been directed by the President to draft a new bill outlining these new tax measures. Professor XN Iraqi from the University of Nairobi School of Business says the government should now ensure the new tax measures are reflected on the cost of goods and services.
The big question for the government policymakers and the government itself is, how do you take care of the most vulnerable members of the society? And I've been thinking loud about this issue. One time the government was giving us Huduma number. And I suspect that should have been one of the solutions to the crisis we are facing today. If the government gave everybody Huduma number and you get your details, so that from Huduma number, we know who are vulnerable, who don't have source of income, then the government should be targeting those people now.
President Uhuru Kenyatta has also imposed a partial lockdown from this Friday, which Iraqi says will not have a major effect on the economy. The president has also urged commercial banks to lower the cost of credit in line with the new central bank rate, which was announced yesterday by the Central Bank of Kenya.
The lowering of the central bank rate, the CBR, to 7.25% from the prevailing 8.25%, which should prompt commercial banks to lower the interest rate to their borrowers, availing the much-needed and affordable credit to all.
Pay-as-you-earn and value-added tax account for almost 6% of the total tax collection by the Kenya Revenue Authority. O'Brien Kiman for Channel 1 News Hour.